That's my boy. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I'm back at the rental house and just a little update on where I'm at with it. So I got about 5 days of cleaning up just everything, and you can see that's actually dry. It's just the wood is stained where it was wet. But this is the rental, an update, and this will be truckload number 6 in the old trusty Ford. This is the room on the right that we couldn't really see in when I first got in here. And there's still stuff in here. I still got quite a bit to do. It's going to be kind of dark in a few spots here. And that's poop. Some of it's people, not just pets. So this is the last of the trash that's in the house. But most of this was under the bed, so the bed was sitting right here in the center, and it had trash all the way around up through there. Like the entire room was like you were on top of everything, walking about a foot off the ground, and you could barely just walk from through there through to the bathroom door. Everything was just piled up. The doors tore off the hinges. You can see the filth, all this stuff. You can actually see the nastiness on the kitchen. Yeah, this is horrible. This is the kitchen. Well, one good thing, you can see where it goes from the plywood to the top layer. So that's a good thing. That top layer will peel off. Lay another layer of this down and re-floor it, and then we're good. So whatever urine smell won't be on the actual subfloor. It'll just be on that top layer. This room, I got the carpet out. It's been drying. It's been drying the whole time, actually. This is the first room I started on. We got stuff all over the walls, writing, drawings. So the doors got to be replaced. There was a china hutch sitting right there, so the door frames are trashed. Washer and dryer. There's still some stuff in like that cabinet. I gotta finish cleaning that out, but this is a week or so of cleaning, or just getting stuff out and bagging stuff. I've been doing it by myself. My guys are working somewhere else. So that's some of the flooring, just some of the junk. And I've still got this pile. I've got to start cleaning it up once I get the rest of the bags out. And it's out to the country too, so. And it's behind the house, so it's, not anybody's way. Talk about your roach and fly poop and spiders. The door facings, the door's off. There was actually a door here. You can see how caked on it is right there. I don't know why there's a board there, unless they busted the sheetrock out. So That's the heat and air vent. I'm gonna have to pull the water heater out. So you can kind of see what's going on here. And that's poop. It said the washer or dryer, one of them was brand new, but it's rusted. And that can be from whatever was in here peeing and pooping on everything. And there's more lottery tickets. There's a big bag full of them. But and I still got all this to get rid of, you know, whatever. But what's crazy is this is inside a home. This is a home. This is inside where somebody was living and sleeping, and that just blows my mind. This is inside a home. This isn't a pet, somewhere somebody keeps a pet, a dog lot, a outbuilding. It's, you know, something of that nature. This is where people were living. This is a home that looks like this. This is absolutely crazy. This is insane. And, you know, I thought, you know, they weren't living here. They just, whatever. But the bed in the master bedroom, it actually was, I don't want to say clean, but there wasn't anything on it. No poop or pee or none of that. There was a fitted sheet on top of it and a blanket on it. So somebody was staying here up to a certain point in this. It might not have been all the poop and pee and all this. Yeah, it was. It was, somebody was staying in this. Somebody was staying in this up until a certain point. Somebody was staying in this. So, yeah. Well, that's what I'm dealing with on the rental. That's where I'm at with it. There's a lot of work to do. There's a lot of work to do, but I at least got a start on it. The floors are drying out. Once I get all the carpet and remainder stuff out, and the couch and the rest of that trash, and start cleaning a little bit. I'm gonna drop the light fixtures because I'm gonna replace all the light fixtures. So I'm gonna drop all them down, start cleaning, pull the shades and blinds and stuff, and just do one room at a time and clean the crap out of it. Once I get that done, then I can start working on it. I mean, there's no way to start working on it and be in this mess. It has to be cleaned before we start working. There's no way. I'm not working in this. It ain't happening. So luckily, looking at the ceiling, with it having like a shine to it, a gloss, if you can see maybe, and the walls having a shine to them, it's going to be hard to get it in the camera, but maybe this way, having that gleam to it, that tells me a lot of this stuff will wash off the surface. So the problem will be the staining in the wood holding in odor, which we can get some oil-based kilts, mop it all on, roll it, and wash all the walls and ceilings down. It'll do wonders. It'll be surprising how much that'll actually clean. But I have some structural issues, like say the door casings and the trim. There's a lot of that's got to be reworked. So yeah, it's moving along. It's going to take a while, but it's at least going forward, and we'll keep at it. So, all right, here we go.